Hi there, I'm Beth Ramsden. There's been a lot of rain and hailstones here lately, and while I've been hiding indoors, I've been very busy sewing and crafting. And I'm pleased to say I'm going to be selling some ready-to-wear Blythe clothing on my website. I've made these 3 pinafore sets. They each include a raglan sleeved shirt, corduroy pinafore and shoes. All of these clothes will fit both the newer jointed bodies as well as the original style body as well, although the shoes that are included are made to fit the jointed body. I've also made these 6 pairs of shoes which I'll offer separately. They're each made from real recycled leather from sample books. I want to share with you the details and sizing of all these items today. Every pair has a coloured insole with a B for Blythe on the inside. First, the light brown Mary Janes. They have stitching on the strap and little gold studs on the sides. They are made to fit the jointed A-zone style body. These can fit the original Blythe body feet if you have socks or tights on. They're too big otherwise. Next we'll have these black pumps, which are made for the jointed body as well. And they are a perfect basic pair of shoes that everyone should have. These light blue Mary Janes have pink and purple insoles and are also made for the jointed body. Here are some purple Mary Janes with blue and yellow insoles. They've got silver studs and are made to fit the original sized Blythe body. I don't think you would get socks on with this size, possibly some thin tights though. Next are these tiny brown pumps. They have purple and blue insoles and teeny weeny black bows on the front. These are also made to fit the original Blythe body. Finally, these black Mary Janes with blue and yellow insoles. These ones fit the original Blythe body with or without socks, and they actually snugly fit the jointed body too. I'll have these sets and shoes available on my website now, which I'll link here for you to look at. There's only one of each set, so please be quick if you want one. I want to thank everyone who bought my new crossover apron sewing pattern. Please do let me know how you get on with them, and there are some free sewing patterns available on my site as well. Thanks as always for watching. Leave me a like and a comment, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!